Hello, it's me again, Brad Kerbo. I'd just like to take a little bit here to talk about some things that I've figured out about the web. Just recently I know a shit ton about the web. I know how to do optimization and set up credit card transactions. I know how to start a corporation online. I know how to do all kinds of crazy stuff on the web because I'm like always on my phone or the computer and always stuck to the web. So World Wide Web connects us. And here's some things I wanted to tell you about today that you probably heard of it, some of them, but others are unique. Like, I've amazed people with just some stuff I've told them recently about the web that I figured out on my own. And then I'll talk about this stuff and a few other things that aren't on my scripts here. But anyway, the thing today is called Cool Things About the Web. And did you know you can create multiple Gmail accounts and link them? Like you create like 3, 4, 5 Gmail accounts. You can link them and you can manage them all from that one account. You can add multiple accounts, and it could be like a personal, social, business, or whatever type of account you want it to be. Or you could name it something really, really off the wall, or you could name it your business that you just have to put on the username that it's like your business name or your website name, and then guess what? You just created a link to your website through your Gmail, or you can even name it the same thing as your social feed or whatever, just put a different first and last name when it asks you for your real name. And then it's harder to trace it back to that source, but you can still keep a minimum level of privacy. And then there's another thing that I love doing a lot, is you can get free ebooks online in PDF format, and you can even make them with apps, like phone apps and internet apps. You can make them and share yours. And then you can print them and even download them on your phone and computer and laptop and all your mobile devices, tablets, sometimes smartwatches too. And it's really, really cool. You can write books, or like the oldest possible books you could think of, like old cookbooks and country books and the Boy Scout manuals, the military survival handbooks, all of the different books that have ever been submitted to Library of Congress are made and reformatted to be PDF format and shared all over the internet. So you just type in your favorite book name or your favorite book subject, and then type in PDF or PDF format or whatever after that. And then there's another cool thing. You can create a free website or e-store online. So you can create a free totally brand new website for your personal cause or whatever, your photography, your art, or even an e-store to sell things on, and you can get free credit card processing, and you can charge them for shipping, so you don't have to pay a pretty penny for shipping. You can charge who you send it to. Then there's a cool thing, you can post links on Google and get paid when someone clicks on them. Like you can post it to WordPress, Facebook, Tumblr. You can post links using a Google AdSense account or signing up with Amazon Affiliate Network or anything. And then you could get paid every time someone clicks on them. You can get paid money just for person clicking and signing up, or just even sometimes clicking with Google AdSense. Get paid for someone just simply clicking on that and that generating a traffic for that website or whatever. And you can also have other people do that under you to make money off them, but it's whatever you want to do. And then something else is you can do background checks and even trace calls and look up ancestry. You can look up, personal ancestry and personal health and data records sometimes if they're not, like, because that's not usually known that you can do that, but you can do background checks, ancestry, all that, and then you can do you can even trace calls and find real corrupt things on corporations, and you can look up people's expense records and all that. So, and then here's another neat feature that you probably would have never thought of unless you thought of it on your YouTube or making your own video from your phone or something and posting it. But you can start a radio or TV station online where you can actually stream live TV and radio, like your voice recording. You could record it and share it on your own, station on the internet, or you could do it on TV where you take videos with your phone of you or something like I'm doing now, and then you could share it with the web and get, like, just like YouTube gets subscribers and people would have to pay for your TV station. You could have advertisers to give you endorsements for advertising on your station. You could make tons and tons of money, or just have fun doing it, or cooking and showing people your good mad cooking skills, or telling people about things just like on YouTube. So, and then there's another thing that I particularly like about the internet is you can search through millions of images, art, and videos and download them and post them to social media. Like, you look up a search, just like that other search thing I told you. Look up a search on the web, like favorite, Prometheus, Star Wars, Star Trek, stock art, even a lot of inappropriate stuff and really controversial stuff you can find on Google Image. It's called Google Images. You just type in a category. Even if you're not trying to type in a category for a picture, you can press on images and find millions and millions of images under that same category, any category possible. And then there's a game. The last thing I'd like to tell you about is a game called Second Life, and I'm not really going to tell you much about it, but I'm just going to say you can make some serious money. You can advertise to millions. Walmart uses this game to make money. There's people in Japan and all over the world that play on it that make tons of money. There's people that have disabilities and never could have got out in the community, but then they get in Second Life and they can associate with people. They can make a good income when they're disabled and they can't walk or something, but they can market, sell things that they custom make. You can get interpersonal property rights. You can be a real estate agent. You can be a corporate CEO, and all while using a very feasible income. And when you sign up to have a premium membership with Second Life, they'll give you like several free lending. It's called lending, and then you can trade that lending in for real money. So basically they're paying you real money every month to get that premium account. You turn around and sell it after it builds up, and you can have a very nice amount of extra cash in your pocket just for not playing the game every month, but just having that account. You could have a house, you could have a mansion, a castle, you could have your own city. Or you could have even you could own a real estate business or just a store or whatever. Link your social media and everything to it. You could own your own empire, or you could even rebuild a Star Wars, your favorite, whatever you want to do. So whatever you think or can come up with or create, it's a new thing created by some the Google Corporation and some other corporations that went into a correspondence project to create a really revolutionary game and social tool. So that's all I'm doing today. I try to keep my videos at 10 minutes to make them, interesting, but kind of, to a minimum so people don't get bored watching it for hours. But thank you for watching. Check these out. Explore with some of these. You might be really surprised at your results. So just remember this stuff and watch this video if you need to remember some of it. But test it, put it to work. It'll work for you, and have fun. Well, thank you everybody again. God bless. Subscribe to my page if you want to, and have fun with this stuff. So bye.